Hello guys, I'm Varsha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a very exciting video. Yes, you have already seen that on my title. It's brush pan haul. I was trying to do this video for a very long time and now finally it's here. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about brush pens, my first brush pen, my favorite brush pen, pros and cons of different brush pens. So do watch it till the end to understand about brush pens in detail. The first brush pen we have is this Lineplus Brush Pen. It is a medium tip brush pen and these are 20 in numbers. We have 20 beautiful and vibrant colors here. The MRP of this is 900 rupees and now I will show you all the colors by swatching it. If you follow me, then you may have noticed that I use this brush pen on a regular basis because of the color variety they provide, and it is a medium tip brush pen, so it is easy to control. I'm using this brush pen from last 1.5 years and this is really a good investment. Next I have this Faber-Castell Pitt artist brush pen. I have a set of 6 brush pen and the MRP of this is 600 rupees. This is again a medium tip brush pen and I have this 6 shades. You can also choose different shades. So I have used the red color a lot, so the tip of it has become very soft. That is the disadvantage I feel about this brush pen. The brown one I'm using for the first time, so I can easily create the thin lines, and this red one I have already used for a month, so it is very difficult to create thin lines with it. So in my opinion, if you use this brush pen for a long time, the tip become a bit more softer than it actually is. Next brush pens are Tombow doll brush pen. These are my first brush pens and I bought a primary color set of 10 and the other 10 brush pens I bought individually. These are not from any set. And the price of this set of 10 is 1700 rupees and it is different for different sets. So the average price of a single brush pen is between 150 to 200. These are big tip brush pen but easy to control than Camlin and Doms. The tip of this brush pen is not very soft, so you can start your calligraphy journey with this brush pens. So these are doll tip brush pen. So on the back side of it you get a fine tip, and with the fine tip you get a very good handwriting. I love this brush pen not only for the brush tip but the fine tip they provide. Now I will swatch these brush pens and will show you all the shades I have. You can easily blend these brush pens and you also get a blender with this. I will show you the blender. This is the blender. If I will write on paper, you won't see anything because it is a colorless brush pen. So this is used for blending. They have 108 colors available including a blender. Next we have this Brustro metallic brush pen. These are a set of 10 shades which are very vibrant in color and has a shimmering ink. As these are metallic brush pen, this works best on a black paper. I will first swatch all the colors on white paper and then will show you on the black paper also. These are medium tip brush pen and we have a white color also, so that will take a few seconds to dry and then only you will be able to see that white color. This brush pen works on surfaces like cardstock, black paper, stone, plastic, glass, fabric, metal and wood. Now let's see it on black paper. I don't use this brush pens much, but they are a great choice for scrapbook kit, photo album and some DIY projects. Moving to our next brush pen, Add Gel Little Artist Brush Pen. These are the cheapest brush pen available in the market. We have 12 shades here at the price of 120 rupees. These are twin tip brush pen. One side you get the broad brush nib and the other side you get the nylon fine nib. But the brush nib is not useful for calligraphy. I would recommend you to use the nylon fine nib for calligraphy. This is the fine nib that I am using and it is really easy to control this nib. If you are a beginner and you don't want to invest much, you can definitely buy this brush pens. And the disadvantage of this brush pen is the tip get frayed. Whether you're using a good quality paper or a normal paper, that doesn't matter. Your tip will not work for a long time. You can see the red color here. I'm not able to get the thin and thick strokes because of the tip. We have 12 basic shades here including a grey shade. In this container, I have different small tip brush pens. I will separate them on the basis of different brands. So these are Pentel Sign Fude Touch brush pen. I have 7 shades in this. Then I have 5 Tombow ҫudenosuke brush pen, and this is Koi coloring brush pen that I just bought for trying. Now let's see the Pentel Sign Fude Touch brush pen. These are small tip brush pen and are good for beginners. If you want to start your calligraphy journey, you can definitely buy this brush pen. The price of single brush pen is 200 rupees. If you will search online, you will get some discount also. I am in love with this brush pen. They provide you basic colors as well as pastel shades are also available. For now, I only have basic shades. Moving to next small tip brush pen, which is Tombow ҫudenosuke brush pen. Here we are provided with two options, soft tip and hard tip. I would suggest you to go for Tombow ҫudenosuke hard tip brush pen. My favorite brush pen is Tombow ҫudenosuke hard tip brush pen. Its MRP is 135 rupees and it is available in 10 different colors. Next I have this single red color medium tip Koi coloring brush pen, and I don't have much to say about this as I don't use this a lot. Moving to our next set of brush pen, which is Dom's brush pen. Here we get 14 shades at the price of 200 rupees, and I have two metallic shades, golden and silver. But the new packaging has only one metallic shade and they provide some watercolor papers. But these are my old brush pens, so this is what I have, starting with my favorite shade. And now I will swatch all the colors. These are highly pigmented and can be used for creating watercolor backgrounds. It has super soft tip, which is a little bit difficult to control for beginners. The tip also get frayed if you use it continuously. Like I use the black color a lot, so I'm not getting the proper lines with that because the tip is frayed. Other than that, these are good brush pen. You just need to learn the control and you can do calligraphy with these brush pens. Now I will show you the two metallic shades on white paper and I will swatch it on a black paper also. So this was all about Dom's brush pen. Next is Camlin brush pen. I have set of 24. This is also available in set of 12 and set of 6. It is a big tip brush pen and the tip of this brush pen is super soft. So it is a bit difficult for beginners to control this brush pen, but still I see a lot of beginners using this brush pen. I'm not going to swatch all 24 shades. If you want to see a detailed review, you can check link in description box. Next I have Karin metallic brush markers. Look at the packaging, beautiful. And here we have 10 shades. And as these are metallic brush pen, this will work perfect on a black paper. So let's write on a black paper. These are highly pigmented and you can easily blend these brush pens. The price of this brush pen is 2500. You will find some different price on different websites. It has a flexible big tip that can be easily controlled, so it is good for calligraphy and hand lettering. Next I have this Karin brush markers. It is set of 12 and these are the basic shades. Different shades are available in different sets, but I wanted the basic one, so I got this one. Here I have 11 shades and one colorless blender. These are highly pigmented and you can create beautiful watercolor background using this brush pen. Now I'm going to swatch all the shades I have. Price of this brush pen is 2000 rupees. Yes, they are a bit costly but totally worth it. I will also blend two colors to show you how the colorless blender works here. Blending yellow and orange color using the colorless blender. This is how you blend it, and if you will use the watercolor paper, you will get the perfect blend. Karin brush markers are available in set of 12, 27. I have a mega box of 75 Karin brush markers which has 72 colors and 3 colorless blender. If you want me to swatch all the colors, do comment below. I will make a separate video for this. Also let me know which one is your favorite brush pen, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.